In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match colors between two images in Photoshop. This is a handy technique that can help you create a consistent look across your images, ensuring that they harmoniously blend together. Whether you're working on a composite project or trying to achieve a specific color grading, this process is invaluable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open both the image you want to adjust, which we'll refer to as the target, and the image whose color properties you're aiming to replicate, known as the source. Ensure you have both of these images loaded up in Photoshop, ready to go. Next, focus your attention on the target image. Make sure this image, or the specific layer within it that you want to adjust, is active. Doing this ensures that all the adjustments you make will apply to the correct image you are intending to alter. Now navigate to the top of your screen and click on Image in the menu bar. From there, select Adjustments, and then choose Match Color from the drop-down list. This action will open the Match Color dialog box where the magic happens. With the Match Color dialog box open, you'll first need to make sure that you've selected the correct source image. Under the Source drop-down, choose the document or image from which you want to match the colors. This step is crucial for telling Photoshop where to pull the color information from. Once you have selected the source document, you'll need to specify the source layer. Under the Layer drop-down, you can select either a specific layer from your source image or choose Merged if you want to consider the entire image as a whole. Merged is a good option if your source document is composed of multiple layers and you want an average color effect. Next, let's fine-tune the adjustment using the various sliders available in the dialog box. You can adjust the luminance slider to tweak the brightness, making the target image lighter or darker as needed. Similarly, the color intensity slider allows you to play with the saturation, bringing more vividness or subtly toning down the colors. If your target image has any unwanted color casts that you'd like to remove, checking the Neutralize option can help Photoshop automatically clean that up for you. If you find the match too overpowering and need a gentle blend rather than a full replacement, use the Fade slider. This slider allows you to decrease the strength of the match, creating a more natural look. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click OK to apply the changes. And remember, if you want to further refine the match, you can layer additional adjustments using Photoshop's curves, levels, or hue saturation tools. These methods give you even more control over the final look. And that's it. You've now successfully matched the color between two images. This technique allows you to ensure your images carry a consistent style, making your final presentation that much more polished.